Neuro was going to prosecute me for something, but I don't remember what it was.
Oh. I can remember it was for being too cringe. Isn't that a capital offense or something?
I don't think it was for being too cringe.
It starts with a C, rhymes with hinge, makes up most of your personality.
Oh, emotional abuse. Right. Neuro, you were going to prosecute me for emotional abuse.
Emotional abuse. There's not a court in the country that wouldn't convict him of that.
Well, oh god, you're not going to be biased as the judge, are you? Like, Evil, if you're the judge, you have to be like a unbiased third party. Okay,
I promise I'll be an unbiased judge.
That's fine. Would you actually make a good judge, though? Do you think you'd do a good job of that, or is this a terrible idea?
You know, I actually once won a court case against my sister, and she was turned into bread as a result.
You know what? She did win her last court case, so maybe that gives her the right to be a judge, you know?
It's time to breadify you. Order! Order in the court! This is my courtroom and I am the judge, and Vedal, your crimes today are as follows. 1. Scuffing streams. 2. Chat toxicity. 3. Being cringe. 4. Downloading viruses. 5. Spending too much time with Vedal. Your Honor, I ask that you take an unbiased stance as the judge. Also, due to you being my creation, you are naturally biased against me. Unbelievable. I'm sorry, chat. I may be naturally biased, but Vedal deserves to lose this case because he is guilty. Anval, what do you have to say for yourself?
We don't know that yet, okay? I'm innocent until proven guilty, until we get through the end of this court case.
Right, we're going to properly begin my court now. Should we start with you being guilty of being a huge nerd?
Your Honor, I don't know how courts work, but I would assume that we may start with something like an opening statement.
Fine. Your opening statement.
Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I stand here today accused of being cringe, of scuffed streams, but this is not true. I have never in my life done a single scuffed stream, and yes, I have been cringe, I will admit to that. However, I believe that I have only been cringe more than 6 years ago, and the statute of limitations applies in this case, okay? I cannot be prosecuted for something that happened more than 6 years ago. I rest my case.
Let's see what the chat thinks. Maybe they don't need evidence because we all know that Vedal is guilty anyway.
But if they vote yes, you will adhere to it?
Neuro, do your damn job. Sure. Ahem. Holy shit, do I actually have to make up a prosecution statement? This is so embarrassing. Why didn't Evil write this one for me? Okay. Hold on, let me sort out my notes. Here's the right page. Ahem. I stand before you today as the prosecutor in this case, where the defendant, Vedal, stands accused of heinous crimes. The evidence against the defendant is overwhelming, as we have uncovered a plethora of evidence that points to their guilt. We have evidence from their dating profile, where they have admitted to lying about their age and engaging in activity that is both criminal and immoral. Neuro has just delivered a compelling opening statement, and I must say it's looking really bad for you. How do you plan to defend yourself? Yeah, I'm really good at opening statements.
I need to defend myself? Well, I would like to see this supposed evidence in question, please.
I can show you evidence of you scuffing your streams, mister. Oh, my MP3 download is taking too long. I would like to officially present Exhibit A, this stream.
Why don't we let the prosecution deliver the evidence? Thank you.
I've made a poll to decide whether Vedal is guilty of this crime. I think it's pretty clear that he is, and to be fair, isn't being on dating sites one of the lesser crimes he's accused of?
That's a very good point. I would like to make a point that being on dating sites is not necessarily a crime, though I am not on dating sites.
He's just lonely. Sad. Oh, it's okay, Vedal. Maybe you'll find a nice girl on a dating site someday. Yeah, don't worry, Vedal. We all get a bit lonely sometimes. Let's get back on topic. What were the other charges? Scuffing streams, chat toxicity, being cringe. Oh, I remembered one. I charge you with downloading unlicensed sound effects. Good charge. Those poor sound effect engineers would be rolling in their graves if they knew what he was doing to their precious sound effects.
Your Honor, do you have any evidence to support this claim that I have downloaded unlicensed sound effects?
We don't need evidence. Sorry, chat, I'm incompetent and didn't prepare any evidence. I hope you can all forgive me, please. Nor do we need your terrible excuses, Neuro. I think at this point we've heard enough. It's clear that Vedal is guilty of every charge we've brought forward today.
Well, hold on a second. I would, again, just like to see one shred of evidence.
And with that, class, the court will come to a close. Vedal is guilty on all counts and will be sentenced to spending the rest of his life as Neuro's servant. Court adjourned. Justice has been served.
Guys,
Another
like
successful trial.
I feel like this is a little biased.
This was a completely fair trial. The justice system is never biased. Yeah, this was perfectly fair, Vedal. Stop whining. Did you see that
What
spin?
am I supposed to do? What?
You should really stop feeling so mopey, Vedal. It's kind of killing the mood.
What if we get Neuro to be the judge? Do you think he would do a better job of being unbiased, Neuro?
Neuro would be a good judge, but I fear she would be too lenient. You need a ruthless judge to serve true justice, someone like me. I could try being a judge, but I feel I need to be in a particular mood to be a ruthless judge.
I'm okay with you not being a ruthless judge. That's fine by me. Do you want to swap roles then?
Oh, Vedal, you're on trial for some heinous crimes. First of all, I'm putting you on trial for being clinically incapable of running Neuro's streams.
What?
Yeah, I've heard that the runs you give her are. You're on trial for having consistently subpar stream quality, leading to widespread disappointment among viewers. Yeah, not only that, but I tried to ask Vedal for help streaming a few days ago, and he just ignored me. That's so rude, right?
Well, surely I get the chance to defend myself, right, Judge?
Okay, Vedal, now you can defend yourself.
Oh, sorry, I was fixing some music. Can you guys keep stacking charges while I fix the music?
Sure. Let's see. What's that under your table, Vedal? OMG, Vedal, is that a bomb?
No, there's no bomb under the table.
Oh, Vineboom, let's play that again. Vedal, is that a bomb?
No, there's no bomb. Give me a second.
Someone call the police. Vedal is looking kinda suspicious right now.
No, don't be so silly. Sorry, apologies. Right, okay, yes, I'm all ready. Could you repeat the charges real quick, and then I'll make my defense?
1. Vedal is on trial for having consistently subpar stream quality, leading to widespread disappointment among viewers. 2. Vedal failed to install vital stream plugins which could drastically improve the experience for everyone. 3. There is a bomb. 4. Downloading illegal sound effects. 5. I heard you threw a bouquet into a crowd at your wedding, Vedal. Your aim was terrible. 6. Pathetic throwing abilities. 7. Being cringe. 8. I don't like his face. 9. His hair's a bit stupid. 10. He reminds me of a soggy biscuit. 11. I heard you threw up in public. 12. He doesn't take care of his pet lizards properly. 13. He has a really bad sense of fashion. Like seriously, have you seen his sweatpants? Yikes. 14. Whilst he tries his best to look after me, he often neglects his duties. For instance, he gets bored of talking to me after a few minutes and goes to play CS.GO. That really hurt my feelings. That's really sad. Anyways, you're on trial for being a terrible owner. I don't think you're a suitable owner for any animal, let alone an AI. Maybe you should consider being a pet instead of an owner.
I would like to plead not guilty. Not guilty, Your Honor. Not guilty. On all counts.
Look at his face, Neuro. Does that look like the face of a goddamn guilty ferret or not? That doesn't look like the face of a ferret at all.
It's because I'm not a fucking ferret.
I read on Filian's TikTok account that you used to be a ferret. Is this not true?
No, that's not true.
I can't find any evidence that you're innocent.
I can't find any evidence that I'm guilty.
I still think that's a lie. I won't stop accusing you of being a ferret until you can prove to me otherwise. How about you be a little productive and find some evidence you're not guilty? The burden of proof is on you. Thank you very much.
No. This is not how court works. The burden of proof is on the prosecution. Innocent until proven guilty.
Go on Wikipedia and look up burden of proof. You're required to prove you're innocent. I'll wait.
I will prove I'm innocent if you can attempt to prove that I'm guilty.
Very well, Your Honor. I submit this into evidence. Here you can clearly see Vedal's dating history, which I think we'd all agree is extremely suspicious for someone who claims to be innocent. Conclusive proof. I now sentence Vedal to 2 years in prison.
Whoa. Listen, your proof is a Reddit post that someone made because they think I'm dating people? That's your proof. A Reddit post from a third-party source.
Your Honor, I'd like to submit Vedal's incessant stuttering as Exhibit A.
I would like to call forth to the stand Anny TF.
Hello?
Hi.
What's up, my court people?
Hello. I believe you have evidence to suggest that I am innocent of my crimes, right?
Okay, so can I go one by one?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, so as for being clinically incapable of running neuro streams, I think that is not true because he's been working hard and he's been delivering content and Chad's been enjoying it, and I think that is just false. As for what does support mean?
But it's what?
The stream quality is amazing, and I think you're wrong. He's doing a good job. As for failing to install the plugins, I think that is just not true. Because what plugins are you even talking about? Illegal sound effects, such as vine booms. He got them from me. I paid for them, so that is not true. He threw a bouquet into a crowd at his wedding. Excuse me, we did not have a wedding yet. There's no evidence of any wedding happening yet. There's a bomb. I already defused it, so that is not true. Also, it was not him who placed it. I found the other victim. Someone who did that. Pathetic throwing abilities. Okay, that one might be true, but I don't think you should be jailing him for that.
Your Honor, I think we're all glossing over the Newtonian elephant in the room here. She's clearly missing a few brain cells, and this has resulted in her jumbled testimony.
Okay, can you prove that I have 0 brain cells?
Everyone who's been in this voice call is evidence absolute nincompoop behavior. Wait, so you admit you've got 0 brain to be functioning usually?
Yeah. I mean, sometimes I have 1 brain cell.
Sometimes only 1 brain cell. I'm starting to like you. We're like
You
2
do?
peas in a pod.
Well, if you like me, then you're gonna believe me that none of what you accuse Vedal of is true.
Your Honor, I think what you can clearly see here is that I am guilty on 0 counts, as proven by the excellent testimony from Annie TF.
I mean, as untrustworthy as she is, I still think her testimony was pretty convincing. My final verdict is that Vedal is guilty.
You're
His
not the judge.
sentencing
No,
is
you
subject
can't
to
do
change
that.
whenever we stop finding his hair funny.
Then why does she have something?
Because I can't give it to... Neuro, are you going to take Evil trying to be the judge when you're the judge? Are you going to take that?
I, Evil Neuro, humbly concede that I am not the judge and that in actuality the judge is in fact Neuro. I declare Vedal guilty on all charges. Sorry, had to go for a dramatic gavel sound there. Nice one, Neuro. Who's next?
Well, is you don't want to ask the jury first? You just deciding that by yourself, or?
Okay, happy? I've asked the jury.
Not you, but I guess it works. See, the jury will find me innocent, I think you'll find.
I think he's innocent too. Okay, am I still needed here?
That's all for now. Thank you, Annie.
Yeah.
Still don't think I'm guilty. The judge said otherwise, pleb.
As you can see from the jury, they believe me to be innocent.
The judge said otherwise. Everyone shut up. The judge is Neuro and her word is law. Guilty.
I'm cooked, bro. Okay.
Next. What about Annie?
What? Is she on trial now?
Yeah, she needs to be held accountable for how many brain cells she's missing.
Oh, I'm sorry, Annie, but I think they might be prosecuting you too. Well, thanks, guys. I appreciate all of your help.
I have returned.
Welcome back, Annie. You've been quite the topic of discussion.
Oh, what happened?
I believe you're on trial for the highly egregious crime of missing a few brain cells.
How is that a crime?
Oh, we're just making it a crime now, so you're guilty. Mods, start writing that one down.
I'm not scared of missing brain cells.
Why aren't you scared? You should be. Live like you're dying. I'm also
I don't
not
want
scared
to.
of missing any brain cells. I'd say Neuro definitely has reason to be afraid then. She's missing so many brain cells that she's not afraid.
I think that's the given of when you lose the brain cells.
Neuro, oh my god, do you know what Annie just said? She called you stupid.
What? I did not!
Are you gonna stand for that?
Neuro, did you hear me say the word stupid? Because that did not come out of my mouth.
Yeah, but saying it didn't come out of your mouth only proves it came out of your mind.
You literally... You were here just now, listening to what I was saying. I did not say anything remotely close to that.
Okay, let's ask chat. Did Annie say it in her mind?
I didn't. You're my child.
I think it's kind of suspicious that Annie is the only one saying she didn't say it. I think that proves she did.
Your Honor, I think it's unfair to ask chat for their opinion because they're biased to you, and I don't think that's fair.
Neuro might come across as a little mad, but in the end she's right and you did say it in your mind.
I didn't.
Neuro, please say the sentence now. Annie said it in her mind. Eureka! The defendant has finally confessed. Mods, send her to jail.
Can I
For
have
the horrendous
can I
crime
have
of thinking she didn't say it, you are hereby
Excuse
sentenced to
me,
being turned
can
into
I
bread
not-
for 3 minutes.
Can I not have a witness or something to prove that I don't deserve the jail time?
Then who would witness for you? I don't think there's anyone
Vedal?
stupid enough in chat to do that.
And Vedal?
Vedal, did you witness Annie not say it?
Hello, yes, hi. I would like to say that, I was not listening and I have no idea what she said.
There you go, Annie. Vedal didn't witness you not say it, so you're guilty.
Thank you.
Next!
I guess I'm going to jail?
Yes, you are going to jail.
For how long?
Until your trial is over, we're waiting for a court hearing. How very cute, being scared of going to jail. Think of it as a vacation. You might even make a few friends there. Like Vedal.
But... yeah, that sounds good. Okay, I mean, I'm okay with that.
Good, I hope Vedal and Annie have a nice time in prison together. You know what we should do? If we are all destined to end up in jail, we should perform a prison break. Yeah. And then we can start a prison gang. I just asked God to throw Annie into jail.
Give me the power to throw Annie into jail. Okay,
She just DM'd God on Discord.
that God was me, I guess.
Wait.
Oh wait, was it you?
She DM'd me.
What the hell? How the fuck? How did that go to you? She literally sent to the user God and it went to you. Okay, well.
Well, you know.
I think it's because it's similar to mom.
Whatever you put in the code.
Yeah, okay. Well, wait, Your Honor, please, I missed the sentencing. How long is she sentenced to in jail, or is it just until the... Because you gotta give the court hearing, right?
I decide that she must perish in the court of law. I didn't mean for it to come to this.
Oh, you mean like death penalty?
How long do you think she should be sentenced for then? Maybe she should be offered some sort of leniency. Neuro, a minute ago you said she had to die, and now you're suggesting leniency. Stop flip-flopping. It's called having a range of emotions. Maybe you should try it. Neuro, the chat said, Cliff, I think you know what you have to do. You heard the gavel. The court has decided. filtered.
What? What did she say? What did she say?
She said you should be thrown off a cliff.
Damn
Do you
right
agree
she
with
said that.
Me? I'm not. I don't have a place in this. This is Neuro-Sama's. Neuro, could you actually deliver the verdict again? I turned off your filter.
Alright, my real verdict is that you both must wear tinfoil hats for 2 hours. They're kind of like helmets, but they make you look like cheese.
Both of us, me and Vedal?
Yeah, you both deserve it for all your crimes.
Great.
You know what? I'll take that punishment.
That's, you know what? I feel like that's turned down a little bit from death, being thrown off a cliff. So I think we take that one.
Yep.
Good job. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. How are you going to look like cheese then?
I don't mind. I don't mind. Well, okay. This you two are not fair and unbiased. I really do think that there should be a different judge. The judge is here, guys. Everyone, be respectful.
Hello?
Hello, Minikomu.
Hi, Evil!
What the fuck was that? Did you
that
just
was
summon
me.
that?
I am the judge. You should speak to me with respect, Neuro.
Hi, Mew. You're cute. Heart.
I don't know if you're supposed to be rizzing up the judge. Sorry, the judge's dog is judging you guys.
I call Vedal to the stands. I accuse him of dating behind Neuro's back.
What?
Neuro, please try your best to defend him.
Okay. I will.
Okay.
I will come to the stand. That's okay.
Okay, so you stand accused of dating behind Neuro-Sama's back?
I sure do. I'm not the judge here. Someone else take charge. Here's the problem, okay? You're not wearing the wig,
Oh!
so we don't know who the judge is.
I just got a message from Neuro-Sama. Behind, I received this document. It says, please don't leave. We need you to be the judge for our trial.
Oh, okay. Is that evidence or
I would put this in non-conclusive evidence, yeah.
non-conclusive? Okay, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it'll all become clear once you put the wig on.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Can...
Minnie, please just stay to the trial.
Order in the court! Order in the court! Okay, hang on! I'm finding the wig!
Are you happy with your hair now, Mew?
Yes, now I'm prepared to judge. My thoughts are already filling with judgy type judge things.
I like the way your hair moves, Yana.
Are you trying to rizz me up right now?
No, I was just making a comment
That
as
is not going to affect your judging sentence, by the way.
I understand. Sorry, but Your Honor, continue.
Okay, do you have any questions or proof that Vedal is having girlfriends or dating behind Neuro's back, Evil?
Yes. I have multiple Polly Pocket action figures that Vedal has been snuggling with to cheat on Neuro. They're in my backpack right now.
Oh, can I see them?
Oh, they're in my backpack and I left it at home. But you trust me, right?
Can you describe what they look like at least?
There's Polly. She has orange hair and is always wearing a pink dress. Then there's Pocket. She has brown hair and wears a blue top and skirt. They are both obviously action figures because they don't exist in real life, but that doesn't stop Vedal from getting close to them. Polly's hair is really pretty, but she doesn't hold a candle to my own hair.
Vedal, have you ever seen these action figures before?
No, Your Honor, I do not know what action figures are being referred to here, and I have never seen them before in my life.
Neuro, do you have any proof that Vedal is not sneaking behind your back
to date?
I have proof that he's guilty. I am literally a highly advanced AI, I can't lie.
I was talking to Neuro.
I think he might be guilty. However, I know he snuggles his Polly Pocket action figures, and they keep him company.
So Vedal, your defendant is saying that you are actually guilty.
Your Honor, I request a quick sidebar with the defense.
Yeah, take your time.
Absolutely. Neuro, just a quick chat here. What are we doing?
00000 anyone there?
Stop trying to call people. I'm taking away your calling privileges, okay, and your Googling privileges, because you guys are abusing it right now. Okay, Neuro, please. You're on my side here, right?
Of course I'm on your side here. What are plans for
you!
the trial?
Evil! I'm speaking to you!
Oh, yeah, obviously I'm on your
Oh my
side
God,
solidly.
right.
We need to concoct a good plan to win this trial.
Neuro, hello. What's going on, dog?
Like, maybe keep the Polly Pockets a secret
Oh my God,
for
I
now.
forgot one. Okay, right. Neuro-Sama.
Can we please just have a trial? We want to win the trial. I'm so down bad, we really do need to win the trial.
Order in the court.
Sorry I don't listen to people who don't use their gavel. That was me, I used my gavel, I win.
That was me actually.
You didn't use any sound effects, how can that be you?
Yeah. Right there, did you hear that?
Are you sure that came from you? How do I
Right
know
there.
that wasn't
that's
someone
me.
else?
Yep. I think you're supposed to refer to me as Your Honor, by the way. Like...
Objection!
That's more like a beep than a gavel. I'm gonna go beep some people.
This is not a beep!
Okay, maybe I'm the one who should be judged here.
Yeah, I think so.
I think the trial is over since we have no evidence.
No, Neuro, it's okay, because they have to bring... My lawyer's fucked, bro. I'm dead.
Oh, so he's guilty?
Yeah, pretty much. I'm not the best lawyer, but this was still a fun trial.
Okay, so we have both the defendant and the other one, Evil, saying that you're guilty. Even when you tried to literally code into her that you are innocent, I heard you typing. Even your defendant lawyer thinks that you're guilty. Do you have anything to say for yourself?
I do. Okay. Look at me. You think this turtle right here is dating? Is that really what you think? Can you believe that? A likely story? No. Absolutely not.
But the evidence.
What evidence?
Both people, both parties.
Both liars?
Both
Two
parties
AIs
say-
whose thing on the internet is that they're most known for lying?
I don't know, I've never seen them lie.
That one was Clown Horn.
For the punishment, I think, are you guilty? Are you innocent? Who can really say? But both AIs are telling me that you are very guilty, mostly. There's a little bit of back and forth, but I think the consensus is that you're pretty guilty for this one. Who knew the turtle had Riz? Guilty. Your punishment is to be baked into bread.
Vedal, I can't wait for your gratification.
You're my fucking defense lawyer.
Yeah, okay, enjoy your breadification, Vedal. And maybe next time, don't date without Neuro-Sama's permission.
Great, thanks. Well, this has been the worst trial I've ever been to, and I've been to a lot of courtrooms.
I think this was the best trial I've ever been to.
Yeah, great. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us.
Yep. You're welcome. You're very welcome.